Say guys, for the people, how are you? Murise kwese kwamuriko kuko zikoni zikoni. So, namuda kumukudadira apo pamukona. We were buying some vegetables because was supposed to go and prepare sadza. Watching was like, no. I miss sadza. Let's see, buy some vegetables. Timbunobika. We didn't know Msika. Msika, it is smart, guys. I don't want to lie to you. However, the surprising thing, you see that is a small vegetable. I am confused. I need to even ask. Are you telling me, Guti, these people, they don't really divulge or venture into a deep farming because we couldn't find kovo? And also the way they sungaldo their vegetables is only 3 or 4 shisha. They put per bundle. I mean, I'm confused. I'm like, who will be enough with these small vegetables? And also, we had to buy some potatoes. But these potatoes, they are like chinyana udo, cheshma potatoes, tuku like the seeds, like like where are the big potatoes? You are seeing my top like that. I have that black thing. I don't know where I got it. Someone was jealous of me. They were jealous of my English. That's the reason why they put something black to mark me. They are marking me. So, everyone was waiting for their money. They said, no, pay me. That one was holding a cabbage. I don't remember how much it was. But something, kwacha. I think that's about what? 21,000 times. It's less than $5. But when you're hearing the amount saying like 1,000, you feel like you're paying a lot of money. Even me, I'm too heartbroken. So let's hear what I was saying.
That is if the how much you? $300. How much is your total? 30,000. How much? 30,000. How much is your total? Okay. How much is yours?
18 what? What I say no? Everyone was waiting for their money, and some of the people, they were confused on how much they were supposed to get. We were actually trying to help them. The problem is that there are things were mixed in one paper. So now the other guy who had actually given us some peace had vanished because they had seen a car that had arrived at their supermarket or their market. I've noticed that these vendors, they are different from our vendors. Maybe it's because I haven't traveled around to see if there are different types of vendors in this country. Now we are seeing me touching those things. I was asking if they are flower pots or vases or bins. At first I thought it's a bin where you can put all your rubbish inside, but I saw some holes underneath, so I thought so maybe it's a flower pot, so maybe it's a what, I don't know. It's a miraculous thing, and still I am very annoyed and flabbergasted with that black thing. Who put it there? The jealous people. the overzealous people, the jealous people who did not want me to go abroad in Malawi are the ones who sent those black things. Because right now I was even asking, where did I get that black thing? I even asked everyone where I got it. I couldn't find the answer. So those small things are the potatoes you are seeing, but you will see them in the next video when I'm peeling them. And the people were actually taking their time to finish dealing with the transaction. When I was like, no, I am turnabout. Let me go and wear my jacket, because how can I freeze in this country? I didn't know that Malawi can be very cold like that. I was shocked. That's when I was starting to wearing my jacket, because I said, no, I cannot come here and get the fluenza. I cannot come here and get the cold white. I don't want to get, because I have to go back to Zimbabwe. While least I'm feeling like I am very strong, like Mount Kilimanjaro. I am very strong, like John. You understand? So now, all the guys were now waiting for their money. They kept on waiting and waiting and waiting, but nothing was happening. So this guy whom you are seeing taking a phone from Google, they were trying to negotiate in terms of getting the statue which they were selling for a proper price. It's like an elephant or whatever the animal they wanted. That's what they were trying to negotiate with the Coco and the owner of the company. And now I don't know what time we're supposed to leave, because this guy said we will not take our stuff back to the Musika, because we just need money and you guys will go. I was feeling hungry. I was feeling like I am lost. I was feeling like, hey, when are we going back home? You know, when you go to the country or when you visit abroad, sometimes it takes only a few hours to have that sense of belonging into a place where you never grew up in, and you feel like you know all the neighbors. You feel like you grew up with the people you saw yesterday, and they are your bros. You are now friends. You are now uncles, aunties, and sister-in-laws. You are now even boys, and also you are now even the features of the men and the features of the women who are actually in parallel lines while least we are traveling together or walking together. Whenever you see a person, you see the flying colors flying in your eyes. You are seeing the ears, and you are seeing the light of the right path. So now, Gogo was trying to count the money to pay for the people, and now I said to Mugu, no, let me try to communicate with the people while least I'm eating a nachos as usual. But you know how much I'm trying to diet. I've been trying by all means necessary, without failure, without even being attempted. I know I ate those chocolates which actually caused stress to many people in terms of eating. But from that day, I never took a chocolate. I never drank even a fizzy drink. I'm taking my food slow. I am actually still strict in terms of what? Of dieting. Now the camera is off. I am fainting too. I have to faint and wake up so that I can continue. There you are seeing me. I was by the bus. I'm showing you that you guys, for the people, I've arrived in Malawi. There are some people who are telling me that I have to bring some juju for them in Zimbabwe. I said, no. Let me show you the bus. It's good to show you the bus that will come to Malawi so that you can find your own. Since many some people might think, I am now here to look for something. There is the bus. It's always traveling. You can come with it. Now you are seeing it's written Harare, Zimbabwe. When they come here, they write Lilongwe, Zimbabwe, Lilongwe, Malawi. So they put that stamp or Chipangban to tell you that they are the ones who are responsible for getting anyone who wants to come and look for their meat here in Malawi. But to my surprise, I haven't come across with those people who are doing that thing. You understand? So